kids! How are you today? I hope you are doing great. I'm Shiraz, and welcome to 1, 2, 3. Learn English with me. Before we start our lesson, let's visit the supermarket. I want to buy some things. Let's go. I want some jelly. Also, I want some juice. The orange juice will be a great choice. What else? Let's see. Oh, I want a jar of strawberry jam. It's too cold. I will wear my jacket. Oh, what a coincidence! Many words start with the sound J, like jelly, jam, juice, jacket. So, my friends, what about learning the letter J? Okay, great idea. Let's start. This is capital J. Whoa. And this is small j. Now, my friends, let's learn together the sound of the letter J. And it is J. J. Repeat after me. J. Now, my friends, let's do this exercise together and find the letter J. Jaguar. Where is the letter J? Well done. There it is. Now, my friends, jump. Where is the letter J? Amazing! Great job! Now, my friends, let's learn how we write capital J and as well small j. Alright kids, as usual, we have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and as well 4. So let's go ahead and begin with capital J. Okay, my friends? The starting point of capital J is going to be in the first line. Just like that, kids. Now, from this starting point, we are going to go first line, down to the third one. And while we're in there, we're going to do curve. Then in the first line, do a little line just like that. Now, my friends, let's do the starting point of small j. Small j. The starting point of small j is actually in the second line. A big starting point just like that. Now, from this starting point, we are going to go just the same thing, but to the fourth line. Do it like that, but this time, a dot. Good job, my friends! Thanks for watching! And join me for the next lesson. I'll see you soon!
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button.